Hello, and welcome to Be More Productive YouTube channel, a platform to learn new things to improve your work productivity. Let's get started. Agenda. After watching this short tutorial, you will be able to understand: convert PDF file into editable MS Word format. Save edited file as PDF format or Word format. Open a new Word file. Open PDF file which you want to edit. This process may take some time depending on the content. Make the desired edits. Now save this file in desired format. In this demo, we will use PDF format. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to get future video updates.